how to share and post your Instagram Reels on Facebook. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share and post your Instagram Reels on Facebook. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. First of all, go to your profile page, tap on this 3-line icon at the top right, select Settings and Privacy, tap on Sharing and Remixes. Scroll down here, you will get this Recommended on Facebook option, so you have to enable this option. Then your rules may be shown to anyone on Facebook, not just your friends and followers. You will also be public, so anyone on or off Facebook can view or like you. Reel. And after that, tap on this plus at the bottom. Select Reel, and I'm going to selecting a video for my reel. Tapping on next, scroll down, and here tap on Recommended on Facebook. Make sure to enable this option. And then all you have to do is just tap on Share, and your reel will be shared on your Facebook and Facebook page. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.